Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Jira workflow transitions for approval chains, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to the project where you want to modify the workflow. In the left-hand menu, select Project Settings. Scroll down to find and click on Workflows. Locate the workflow you want to edit and click to create a new transition. Click on the status you want to transition from. On the right side, select Add Transition. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter details for the transition. Name the transition appropriately, such as Approve or Reject. Provide a description for clarity on the transition's purpose. Choose the destination status for the transition. Click on Add to confirm the new transition. Now, let's add conditions to this transition for the approval chain. Select the transition you just created. In the Properties panel, click on Conditions. Click on Add Condition. Choose User Permission to restrict who can approve the transition. Configure the user permissions as needed for your specific team. You can also add other conditions, such as Value field. Once you have set all the necessary conditions, click Add. Select the transition again and click on Validators. Click Add Validator. Choose validators based on your requirements, like field required or fields match. Select the transition once again and go to Post Functions. Click Add Post Function. For the approval chain, you may want to select Update Issue field. Configure the update as needed and click Add. Repeat this process for any additional post functions you want to automate. Once you have finished making all necessary changes, click on Publish Draft in the top right corner. Confirm the changes to finalize the workflow modifications. You can now test the new approval chain in your Jira project. Create an issue and progress through the workflow to ensure everything works as intended. If any adjustments are needed, return to the workflow editor to make changes. Now that your workflow transitions for approval chains are set up, you can streamline your processes effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.